Good morning, everyone. My name is Miss Rachel, and I'm going to be teaching you about winter words today. So before we get started, I'd like to ask, did everybody have a good weekend? How's everybody doing this morning? You good? Everybody's great? I had a great weekend also. Okay, let's get started. Winter words. So first, we're going to learn our new words. We're going to spell them out, and then we're going to say them together. Our first word is winter. Winter. Let's spell it out together. Winter. W-I-N-T-E-R. Now let's all say it together. Winter. Winter. Our next word is snow. Snow. Let's spell it out together. S-N-O-W. Snow. Now let's say it together. Snow. Snow. Very good, everybody. Our next word is a little longer. Snowflake. A piece of snow is a snowflake. Let's spell it together. S-N-O-W, that's the snow part. F-L-A-K-E. All together, it is snowflake. Now let's all say it together. Snowflake. Snowflake. Our next word is ice. Ice. Let's all spell it together. I-C-E. Ice. Let's all say it together now. Ice. Ice. Our next word for now is water. Water. Let's spell it out. W-A-T-E-R. Water. Let's all say it together. Water. Water. Very good, everybody. Now let's go over our words one more time. Say it with me now. Winter. Snow. Snowflake, ice, water. All right, great job so far, everybody. Winter. Let's use the word winter in a sentence. Winter is the coldest time of the year. Winter is the coldest time of the year. Now let's say it together. Winter is the coldest time of the year. Snow falls on the ground. Snow falls on the ground. All right, everybody, snow falls on the ground. A piece of snow is a snowflake. A piece of snow is a snowflake, as you can see here. All right, everybody together. A piece of snow is a snowflake. All right, everybody, now we're going to do something really fun. We're going to make our very own snowflakes. So let me ask you guys, who here has actually seen snow? Who's seen snow? Everybody? Just about everybody? Well, did you know that I didn't see snow until a few years ago? But now I see snow a lot, and I think that it's beautiful, especially the snowflakes. The little pieces of snow, snowflakes. So let's make our own now. We're going to start off with a piece of paper. Does everybody have their own piece of paper? Everybody have a piece of paper? Great. The first thing we're going to do is make this into a square. Okay? We're going to make, it's a rectangle now, we'll make it into a square. The way we do this is we take one corner and we fold it up just like so, so that we can make a nice perfect diagonal, just like that. Now I'm going to cut off this extra part. Does everyone have their scissors ready? Let's cut this part off together. Just going to cut this. All right, great. Don't worry about it being perfect. This is good. So now you unfold it and you can see that you have a nice square. All right, now we're going to make our snowflakes. First, fold it back on this diagonal that you had it at before. See, just like that. Now you should have a nice big triangle. Let me see everybody's snowflake. Everybody have a nice big triangle? Okay, great. Now, let's fold it in half again. Just like before, to make a smaller triangle, okay? We're going to do it one more time, just like that. Perfect. Well, I think it's pretty good. All right. Does everybody have their little triangles? Okay, now we're going to take our scissors. Everybody has their little pair of scissors. We're going to cut some shapes in the sides. So you can do whatever you want. I'm going to start with some little triangles here, just like this. You see that? Little triangles. Perfect. You can do triangles, you can do circles. I'm going to do a half circle here. You can do just lines like this. Just cut into it. Just be careful not to cut too far, okay? Or else you'll have a smaller snowflake. And I'm going to make one more big triangle right here. Okay. And then when you're done, you should have your very own snowflake. Just unfold the paper carefully, careful, and there you go. See, now you have your very own snowflake. Okay, great. How does everybody's snowflakes look? Good? All right, I like them. Everybody has some nice snowflakes here. All right. Perfect, guys. Okay, let's continue. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to complete this sentence and we're going to do it together. We're going to have some different things we like to do in the snow and some things we do not like to do in the snow. So, first of all, I like to blank in the snow. So I'm going to start and then everybody's going to do it with me. So I like to play in the snow. So everybody get up and let's all play in the snow. All right. Okay, everybody together now. I like to play in the snow. I like to play in the snow. Good. Next, I like to walk in the snow. Can everybody walk for me? All right, let's all say it together. I like to walk in the snow. I like to walk in the snow. Okay, how about this? I like to dance in the snow. All right, everybody now, everybody. I like to dance in the snow. I like to dance in the snow. Okay, great job, everybody. Okay, now we're going to do some things that we do not like to do in the snow, or at least I don't like to do in the snow. So let's start with fall. Fall. I do not like to fall in the snow. So let's everybody fall in the snow together. I do not like to fall in the snow. I do not like to fall in the snow. Okay, next. I do not like to work in the snow. I do not like to work in the snow. All right, so everybody, let's get out our shovels and let's work in the snow. Ready? I do not like to work in the snow. I do not like to work in the snow. Finally, I do not like to be cold in the snow. So let's all get cold, guys. I do not like to be cold in the snow. I do not like to be cold in the snow. Okay, great. All right, great job, everybody. That was perfect. Okay, so we went over winter, snow, snowflake. Now, let's get into ice and water. So ice is very cold. Repeat after me. Ice is very cold. Ice is very cold. Okay, water. Water can be cold or warm. So let's all do that together. Water can be cold or warm. Okay, everybody do it and say it with me. Water can be cold or warm. All right, great job, everybody. All right, we're going to have the two final words of the day, which are solid and liquid. Let's start with solid. Solid. Let's spell solid together. Solid. S-O-L-I-D. Solid. A solid is something that is hard and does not flow or move very much. Solid. Solid. Our other word is liquid. Liquid. Let's spell it together. Liquid. L-I-Q-U-I-D. Liquid. Liquid flows and moves more easily than a solid. So, what are some examples of a solid? Ice. Ice is a solid. Now say it with me. Ice is a solid. A pencil is a solid. A pencil is a solid. A book is a solid. A book is a solid. Okay, so let's go down over it one more time. Ice is a solid. A pencil is a solid. A book is a solid. Okay, looking at liquid over here. The most common liquid is water. Water is a liquid. Water flows and moves easily. Water is a liquid. All together now. Water is a liquid. Tea is a liquid. Tea is a liquid. Everybody now. Tea is a liquid. Milk is a liquid. Milk is a liquid. All together now. Milk is a liquid. Okay, going through the liquids one more time. Water is a liquid. Tea is a liquid. Milk is a liquid. Now what we're going to do is a little experiment so that we can look at solids and liquids and how they change. So ice, as we said, is a solid. So I have some ice here. Here is a red piece of ice, and here is a green piece of ice. I'm going to put the red piece of ice in a cold bowl of water. Water is a liquid, remember? I'm going to put the green ice cube in the warmer water. Okay, so what we're going to do is look at it. We're going to see the ice melting from a solid to a liquid. So we'll check back on that in a second. In the meantime, let's all go over these one more time. So say it with me now. Ice is a solid. A pencil is a solid. A book is a solid. Water is a liquid. Tea is a liquid. Milk is a liquid. Okay, so let's check back in on our ice. Here, we can see that the green is melting a bit faster than the red here. Now, why is that? That's because this bowl has cold water and this bowl has warm water. So the ice melts more slowly in the cold water and it melts more quickly in the warm water. So you can really see it now. Here we go. You can see that the red is definitely bigger. And we'll just let these guys melt. The red in the cold water, the green in the warm water. Okay, now everybody can get into pairs and do their own experiment. So to see that the ice turns from solid to liquid more quickly in the warm water and more slowly in the cold water. Okay, as our colored ice is melting, we can go over our vocabulary one more time today before we finish up. So let's go ahead and do that. I'll say it once and then we'll say it together twice, okay? Winter. Everybody now. Winter. Winter. Snow. Everybody now. Snow. Snow. Snowflake. 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 All together now. Ice. 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 Water. 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 Solid. All together. Solid. Solid. Liquid. Everybody now. Liquid. Liquid. That was great, everybody. Okay, now we're going to say some sentences together and wrap up this lesson. So these sentences will be from everything we've learned today. So first, during winter, I see snow. Everybody now. During winter, I see snow. During winter, I like to see snowflakes. During winter, I like to see snowflakes. I like to play in the snow. Everybody now. I like to play in the snow. Ice is a solid. Ice is a solid. Water is a liquid. Water is a liquid. In cold water, ice melts slowly. In cold water, ice melts slowly. And in warm water, ice melts quickly. In warm water, ice melts quickly. Okay? So you can even see here at the end, there is just a little piece of the red ice in the cold water. Just a tiny piece right here. And the green ice in the warm water has completely melted. All right, does anybody have any questions? Everybody have a good time today? All right, great. So don't forget your homework tonight. Let me know if you have any questions tomorrow and we'll go over it. And everybody did a great job today. And I'd just like to say thank you so much, everybody. Have a great day. Goodbye.